First, we're going to be taking our Lash Duo and applying a thin layer to the brows. And then we're going to take our spoolie and brush that through to lock it in place. Next, we're going to take our concealer and we're going to start at the tail end of the brow and just clean that up underneath. And then we're going to go to the beginning of the brow and we're going to meet where we started at and just clean that up real nice. Then we're going to bring that all the way down and make sure it's nice and smooth because we will be using that as a base for our eyeshadows. Then I went in with the foundation to clean up on top of the brows. I went in first with the MAC Swiss Chocolate. I use that as my transition color. Next, I started with the crayon case. The first color is Saint Martin. Just applying that in the corner. And then I went in with this pinkish coral color in the middle. And then I'm going to pop that really pretty, very pigmented white color on the very edge of the eye. I did my liner off camera because that takes me the longest for some reason. But I am applying my lashes, and I got these from Amazon. Just some random 5D lashes. Next, I went and primed my face with Pond's, and then I used the the Milk Hydro Grip Primer as well. Next, I'm going to be applying my foundation. I've been using Lancôme for the past several years. This is like my holy grail. It is transfer resistant and it literally does not budge. Then I'm going to be highlighting with the e.l.f. concealer, and I'm just going to be placing that underneath the eyes, a little bit under the chin area. Down the bridge of the nose and underneath, the lip area. And then I'm going to be taking a foundation stick and I'm going to contour with that. I'm going to do the cheek area, a little bit on the forehead, and down the sides of the bridge of my nose. Now we're going to be moving into blending out our concealer, and you want to make sure everything is blended in together. You want everything to be very seamless and no harsh lines, because to me, in my opinion, harsh lines and not blending well can ruin your whole makeup application. So we're just going to blend everything together. And we're going to do the same thing for our contour. We're going to blend that right on into our highlighted areas. And again, no harsh lines. Make sure everything is very, very seamless. We're going to set the highlighted areas with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and then we're going to take the Makeup Revolution bronzer and we're going to set the areas that we contoured with. to use the Clinique pressed powder to set all over my face and just dust away all the setting powder that we set the highlighted areas with. I like to dab my brush in all four of the colors and use that as my blush. And of course, MAC's Gold Deposit for the highlight. I've also been using this for years as well. Next, I use the MAC's lip pencil in Chestnut to line my lips, and then I use the NYX butter gloss to put over top of it. Completely forgot to record me setting my face after everything was finished, but I did use the Morphe setting spray for that. And this was the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.